So, the Gala kakabsat, we're finally back and ngayon pupunta tayo sa BUSTANAR. BUSTANAR dito sa Santa Maria.
Bagong attraction dito sa Ilocos
Sur. Nagparking na kami sa baba kanina mga 200 meters. Taka yung parking mura lang, mga 10 pesos lang dun sa motor.
20 pesos sa 4 wheels.
At saka 15 pesos sa tricycle. 5 pesos sa bike.
Hinga lang.
Ang taas pa eh.
I told her to come closer, she need to make me want it. Think how she ride up on it. Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas. On the next flight straight to Bahamas. I'm liking what I see, yeah. I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel, shawty, tell me how you feel. I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real. Roll running to the bank, really trying to get a meal. Smoke a pressure to the face when they ask me how I feel. I'm just trying to chase that check. When I'm with you, I don't really want no static. Baby girl, you the one, so you be a bad chick. I might pull it with a gang and we let them have it. I ain't playing with these lanes, I'm a damn savage. On the road to the fame, I ain't really capping. I don't really want no one else. Shorty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a drug, baby, can't you tell? Always be there in case you need some help. You're the only one, I don't need no one else. No, 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 no. I'm liking what I see, yeah. I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine.
Go. May thrill.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi mga kakabsat. Oh.
May challenge pa habang bago makarating sa taas.
Uy, tama kami pagpagnaan na yung TikTok.
Buti hindi umulan kagabi. Kundi di madalas masyado itong tataanan namin.
Nakakita na ba kayo? Hello! Nag-hike na nakadress. Hindi naka-short. Oo, naka-short na siya. Ayun sa kanila. Balik na tayo. Ayun na! Ayun na!
Tignan nyo no, kung gaano katarik yung nakyat namin no. Tas nyan. Kaya pa?
OMG! Dito na tayo! Welcome to...
Going bulilit ay. Balik.
Kasi DJ inti agpangatula dyan tayo dito nga parte yun.
Kakahinga lumakyat ah. Ayan na yung bustanar na. Yun no?
So ayun kakabsat, welcome to BUSTANAR! BUSTANAR! Ayun kakabsat, welcome to BUSTANAR! Let's go! Yan yung mga kasama namin. Kulang pa yan. Lumakan mo na yun, Diyos ko. Ay, kung ano picture!
Nagdadive kami. Faithfully. Sana all faithfully. Mute. Star guidelines. No face mask, no entry, no winners, all. Posal, yun. So, kapag pupunta kayo dito, ito yung guidelines lang na isa sa ulo nyo. So, yung entrance niya is 20 pesos lang, tsaka maglalagbo.
Safety first! Ay, baka malibre ka. Hanggang umagi na.
So, dijigar at kakabsat. Hinintay natin yung date natin dito. Yun na siya. Nahihirapan na makyat.
Magpapropose ka?
Ganda ng view.
Because lang nagkuhan eh.
So, after ng picture taking dyan, make sure na iayos nyo din yung mga lamesa or upuan kung anong ayos na datingan nyo. Dapat gano'n din ayos na iiwan nyo para sa susunod na mga magpapapicture. Yan, wala na dyan. Pupunta na tayo sa final destination. Ouch. Oh, may umiiyak na naman na bata dun.
Love, may sasabihin ako. I love you!
I love you more. Hindi yata dyan yung daan, sa baba yata. Take care of my heart.
Oh!
A friend is someone who gives you total freedom to be yourself. Not friends with benefits. The purpose of life is to be happy. Fishing jar. Oh, may laman niya kaya tang barya to. Oh, meron talaga oh. Bebe! Diyan pa oh. Sa may duyan. Isa lang ah. Ang tasakyatin dito pero sulit naman yung view. Oh, yan pa lang oh. Di mas maganda yung view pag hapon. Sunset. Yun yung pinakamagandang time. Nakakapagod nga lang umakyat. Pero sulit naman. So, ito na yung final destination guys. Ito na yung nest. Tsaka may nest din yung doon. Tsaka heart. Tsaka frame. Nice. Ito yung whole view ng Santa Maria. Yan yung inakyat namin. So may doyan din yun. Picture taking. One, two, three, video.
Uy, bebe!
So, digar, kakabsat. Gawin na tayo. Ulan na. Ambon na yata.
Oo, uulan na.
Dilim na oh. KJ naman. KJ naman tong weather na to.
Evacuate na.
Eh, malaya pa yung uuwian namin.
Ang lamig pa nung hangin dun sa taas.
Oo, presko. Bilisan natin ng konti. Baka abutan tayo ng ulan.
May introduce ako sa inyo.
Mahirap na.
Chicks! May chicks ako dito. Andyan na yung ulan!
I told her to come closer. She need to make me want it. Think how she ride up on it. Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas.